Good morning, children. This is 7th Standard Maths in your Part 2 textbook, Chapter 11, Perimeter and Area. Today, we shall solve exercise 11.3 problems which are based on circumference, area, diameter and radius of circle. We shall move on to the first question, children, of this exercise 11.3. The first question, find the circumference of the circle with radius is equal to 28 millimeter. Take pi equal to 22 by 7. We know that the formula to find the circumference of a circle given with the radius value is equal to C circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. We know the values of radius and pi. The radius value is equal to 28 millimeter and pi value, which is to be taken as 22 by 7, which is given in the question itself. On substituting these values to the formula, that will be equal to, circumference will be equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into the value of radius will be equal to 28. Therefore, in the next step, the 7 and 28, it goes by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. Therefore, 2 into 22 into 4. In the next step, 2 into 22, that is 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 is remaining. 4 4s are 16. Again, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, it will be 17. Therefore, 176 millimeter. Therefore, on simplification, we will get the final answer that is equal to 176 millimeter. Therefore, circumference C is equal to 176 millimeter is the answer. Second question, find the area of a circle given diameter equal to 49 meter and we have to take the pi value that is equal to 22 by 7. We know that the formula to find the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where in the question diameter value is given. So, from the diameter we need to find out the radius value. Then after finding the radius value, we can apply the area of a circle formula. Therefore, to find the radius value using the diameter, we have the formula radius is equal to diameter by 2. On substituting the value of the diameter, that is equal to 49 by 2. Don't simplify, let us write as it is. That is, radius r is equal to 49 by 2 meter. Now, we shall apply the formula of the area of a circle. Area is given by pi r square. On substituting the values, pi 22 by 7 into r, we have got 49 by 2. Since it is r square, we have to write 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So now in the next step, we can simplify this 7 and 49. So children, we have not simplified this 49 by 2 because in the next step, when we take pi value equal to 22 by 7, then we can simplify this 49 because 7 and 41 goes by the same table, that is equal to 7. Therefore children, 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. Then 2 and 22, it goes by the same table. 2 ones are 2, 2, 2 ones are 2. Therefore, in the next step, it will be 11 into 7, 11 into 7 into 49 by 2. Therefore, 11 sevens are 77 into 49 by 2. Let us multiply the numerator values, that is 77 into 49. So children, when we multiply 77 into 49, 9 sevens are 63, 6 is remaining, 3 is remaining. 9 sevens are 63, therefore 3 and 6 will be remaining. Therefore, 9 sevens are 63, 6 is remaining again. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 6, you will get 69. Therefore, 693. Then, 7 fours are, or 4 sevens are 28. 2 is remaining. Again, 4 sevens are 28 plus 2, it will be 30. Therefore, 3, 9 plus 8, it will be 17. 7, 1 carry on, 6 plus 1, it is 7 and 3. Therefore, on simplifying 77 into 49, 9 sevens are 63, 6 is remaining, again 9 sevens are 63, 63 plus 6, you will get 69, then 4 sevens are 28, 2 is remaining, 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 2, it will be 30, then it will be 3773. Therefore, 77 into 49, 3773 by 2. Now, in the next step, children, this 3773 by 2, so that we will divide the numbers. Therefore, 3773 by 2, it will be 2 ones are 2. So, 1 is remaining, 3 minus 2, take 17, then 2 8s are 16, 7 minus 6, 1 is remaining, so take 7, it will be 17. Again, 2 8s are 16, 7 minus 6, 1 is remaining, so take next number 3, it will be 13. 2 6s are 12, 3 minus 2, 1 is remaining. 1 is lesser than 2, so children, take the decimal point, take 0 here, so it will be 10. 2 how much are 10 children? 2 5s are 10. Therefore, area of a circle A, that will be equal to 1886.5 meter square. Area is expressed in terms of meter square. Therefore, the area answer will be equal to 1886.5 meters square, and this is the method to find the area of the circle. When the diameter is given, we need to find out the radius using the formula diameter by 2. After finding out the radius value, we need to apply the area of the circle formula, that is equal to pi r square. After the simplification, we got this final answer, and this is the method. Third question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Therefore, now we need to find out the radius and area. Given the circumference of the circular sheet, that is equal to 154 meter. First, we shall find out the radius using the circumference of a circle formula, which is equal to circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. So, circumference value is given, that is equal to 154 equal to 2 into the value of pi, let us take it as 22 by 7 into r, since we need to find out the value of r. Now, in the next step, children, cross multiply. Therefore, when we cross multiply, that becomes 154 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 equal to r. The method in the next step we have followed is cross multiplication. So when we cross multiply 154 into 7, then 2 into 22 goes to the denominator, that is 2 into 22 equal to R. Therefore, when we simplify in the next step, children, let us take 154 and 22 goes by the same table. Let us take 11 table. So 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11. 15 minus 11, the remaining is 4. Therefore, it will be 44. So 11, how much are 44 children? 11 4s are 44. Therefore, it will be 14. In the next step again, this 2 and 14, it goes by the same table. That is 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Therefore, children, in the next step, 7 7s are 49 by 2 is equal to R. Therefore, now let us divide 49 by 2. Therefore, so that 49 by 2 and 4, it goes by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Take 9. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1 is remaining. 1 is lesser than 2, so to decimal point, put here 0. 10 goes by 2, that is 2 5s are 10. Therefore, children, the value of the radius will be equal to 24.5 meter. Therefore, radius is 24.5 meter. Next, children, after getting the radius value equal to 24.5 meter, we need to find out the area of the sheet. So, to find the area of the sheet, we have the formula, that is area of the circle equal to pi r square. Substituting the values, pi 22 by 7 into radius value, we got 24.5 meter. 24.5 into 24.5. Now, children, this 7 and 24.5, it goes by 7. That is, when we divide 24.5 by 7, children, it is 7 3s are 21. So, 4 minus 1, it is 3. Now, to take 5, we have the decimal point here. So, here you put one decimal point. Now, you take 5. Therefore, it will be 35. 7, how much are 35, children? 7 5s are 35. Therefore, 7 1s are 7 and 24.5, it is 3.5. Therefore, we have 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. Now, let us multiply these values, children. Therefore, 3.5 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, it is 7. Again the same answer because we have to again 0 7. Therefore, 0 7 7. 770, and we have after the decimal point we have one digit. So from the right side, after one digit put the decimal point. Since it is 0, it get cancels and the answer is 77. Now we will multiply 24.5 into 77. Therefore, 7 5s are 35, 3 is remaining. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, 3 is remaining. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17. Therefore, again we have 7. It will be the same answer, 5, 1, 7, 1. Therefore, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. Again 1 plus 7, it is 8, 1. Therefore, we have the area that will be equal to 18,865 meter square will be the answer. Therefore, children, the radius value is equal to 24.5 meter. Using the formula, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. In the next step, to need to find out the area of the sheet, we have applied the formula A is equal to pi r square. So, we have got the answer 18,865 meter square has the answer, and this is the method and the simplification used in this problem, children. Fourth problem. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Therefore, the garden is in the circular shape. And the gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter equal to 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. That is, we need to find out the circumference of the circular garden. Okay, so to find out the length of the rope, first we need to find out the circumference of the rope. Length of the rope is nothing but we need to find out the circumference of the rope needed to purchase to make 2 rounds of fence to a circular garden. And also find the cost of the rope. So we have to find out the cost of the rope. If it costs ₹4 per meter, we have to take the pi value, that is equal to 22/7. So children, in order to solve this problem, first look into the problem. The diameter of a circular garden is given, that is equal to 21 meter. We need to find out the length of the rope. I told length of the rope is nothing but circumference of the rope. So, rope, to find out the circumference of the rope, children, we should have radius value. But in the problem, the diameter of a circular garden is given. Now, we need to find out the radius. We know that the radius will be equal to diameter by 2. Therefore, radius is equal to diameter by 2. On substituting the values, it will be 21/2. Need not simplify here, children. Write the radius value is equal to 21/2 meter. Now we can apply the formula for the circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. On substituting the values, to the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into the radius value, we have taken 21/2. Therefore, in the next step, we have 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Therefore, we will get 2 into 11 into 3. Therefore, 11 twos are 22, 22 into 3, 22 into 3. That will be equal to 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. Therefore, the circumference will be equal to 66 meter. Using the formula, circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, children, the length of the rope needed for 1 round of fencing, that will be equal to 66 meter. The length of the rope needed for 1 round fencing of a circular garden will be equal to 66 meter. We need to find out what is the length of the rope needed to make 2 rounds of fence. For 1 round of fencing, it requires 66 meter rope. Now for the 2 rounds, it will be, children, 66 into 2. Therefore, 2 6s are 12, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Therefore, children, the answer is 132 meter. Therefore, length of the rope needed to make 2 rounds of fencing, that will be equal to 66 into 2. The answer is 132 meter. Next part, cost of rope per meter is ₹4. Therefore, for 1 meter, the cost of rope required, that is, will be equal to ₹4. Now we need to find out the total cost of the rope. So children, for 1 meter, it is ₹4. Therefore, for 132 meter, it is how much? Therefore, the total cost. Now we know that the total length required for making 2 rounds of fencing is 132 meter. Therefore, the total cost of the rope for the fencing of to a circular garden, we need to find out. That is 1 meter is rupees 4. Then 132 meter it is how much is the cost. So when we cross multiply children, it will be 132 into 4 divided by 1, that will be equal to 132 into 4. So now when we simplify 132 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 is remaining, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 it is 5. Therefore the total cost required is children rupees 528 is the answer. The length of the rope needed for 2 rounds of fence is 132 meter. Then the total cost of the rope is equal to rupees 528, and this is the method to solve the fourth problem using the formulas. Radius is equal to diameter by 2 and the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 rounds of fencing, this is the method, and to find the total cost, 1 meter it is rupees 4, for 132 meter it is how much, and for the simplification this will be the answer, and this is the method. We shall move on to the fifth problem children. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So you can observe here children, the circular sheet of radius 4 cm is given. That is 4 cm is the radius of the outer circle, that is 4 cm. Then a circle of radius 3 cm has been removed. From the radius 4 cm, 3 cm radius has been removed. So 3 cm is the radius of the inner circle. So much radius of the inner circle has been removed from the radius of 4 cm circular sheet. Now we need to find out the area of the remaining sheet. So from 4 cm, when you remove 3 cm radius circular sheet, what will be the area of the remaining sheet? So this is the figure children. Therefore radius of the outer circle is equal to 4 cm. This is the radius of the outer circle. Bigger circle is 4 cm and the radius of the inner circle is 3 cm. So to find out the area of the remaining sheet children, we need to find out the area of the outer circle and area of the inner circle. So first let us find out the area of the outer circle. We know that area of the circle is equal to A is equal to pi r square. So pi value in this question we have to take 3.14. Pi has two constant values. Either we can take 22/7 or 3.14. Now we have taken 3.14 because it is given in the question. Into r, radius of outer circle we need to take, that is 4 into 4. Now 3.14 into 4 into 4. Therefore 3.14 into 4 4s are 16 on further simplification. Therefore 3.14 into 16. 6 4s are 24. 2 is remaining. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2, it will be 8. And 6 3s are 12. In the next step, 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. Therefore, it will be 4, 8 plus 4, it will be 8 plus 4, it is 12, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, it is 4, so 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, it is 10, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, so 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Therefore, 6 4s are 24, 2 is remaining, 6 1s are 6 plus 2, it is 8. 6 3s are 18, so 18 is the answer children, it is not 12. 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, so this is 18. Then 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Therefore 4, on simplification we got 5024 as the answer. But after the decimal point we have 2 digits here. Therefore in the answer from the right side, after 2 digits put a decimal point, that is after 4 and 2 put a decimal point. Therefore area of the outer circle will be 50.24 centimeter square will be the answer. So we got the area of outer circle, that is equal to 50.24 centimeter square. Now we need to find out the area of inner circle, which is given by the formula A is equal to area is equal to pi r square. On substituting the values, pi 3.14 into radius of the inner circle is given by 3 centimeter, 3 into 3. Therefore, in the next step, 3.14 into 9. So on multiplying 3.14 into 9, 9 4s are 36, 3 is remaining, 9 1s are 9 plus 3 it will be, so 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 3 it will be 12, 1 is remaining, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1 it is 28. So after the decimal point we have 2 digits, therefore in the answer from the right side after the 2 digits take the decimal point. Therefore the radius of inner circle will be equal to 28.26 centimeter square, children. Now we need to find out area of the remaining sheet. Therefore to find the area of the remaining circular sheet, we have to subtract area of outer circle from area. That is, we have to subtract the areas of outer circle and inner circle. Therefore, area of the remaining sheet, that will be equal to 50.24 minus 28.26. That is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Then when we subtract 50.24 minus 28.26, therefore the answer will be, this is 14. So 4 is lesser than 6. So borrow, it will be 14. Then so on borrowing it will be 14. 14 minus 6 it will be 8. Then here it will be, when we borrowed it will be 1 here. Therefore again 1. So it will be 11 minus 2, that is 9. Then here it will be 9. So after borrowing it will be 9 here. Therefore 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 it will be 1. Then after borrowing again it will be here 4. So 4 minus 2 it is 2 is the answer. So from borrowing and simplifying with the use of the subtraction symbol, we got the final answer, that will be equal to 21.98. So therefore children, area of the remaining circular sheet will be equal to 21.98 centimeter square. So to find out the area of the remaining sheet, first we need to find out the area of the outer circle and area of the inner circle using the radius of outer circle and inner circles. After that, after getting the areas, we need to find out the area of the remaining circular sheet. So area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, on simplification, we will get the answer equal to 21.98 centimeter square is the answer, and this is the method and these are the simplifications used.